Really?
That's nice.
You have to hit a certain mark in order to go live.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I can see that. Okay. I'm not really. What? What you say, man? You said you're not hip.
I'm charging that I like that. Massage.
Thank you.
Not today though. One time, man.
You know what? I'm sorry to trouble you. I do want a brand to go.
Serve the world, I got you. That's how this lady came in, so it's my birthday when I get it. Hella rude. I get the bill though. She's like nothing else. Why are you talking to me like that? I'm like Bloody Crip, though. They hated me, I hated them.
Oh my gosh.
What up? What up? What up?
Dad,
Mano,
can
Mano.
you grab the fork?
Yeah, it's our first time actually live on YouTube.
Oh wow! Finally, after how many years of trying?
The only reason why I was live on the page YouTube is because of the appointment. Poca lama.
Okay, you guys taking some more?
Oh, yes, I want it. I'll put this one.
Okay, you guys take one. I told him go get me some fresh fries. So you guys can have this one. And you know, because late tonight he's gonna be like, yeah.
Don't
Come on,
touch
get
it.
me.
Don't call me out like that.